they believe to be an authority figure, someone telling the truth, they will be irate, they will be unforgiving, they will be relentless. This employee has wronged the wrong man. For now, he has to tread the rough waters of customer dissatisfaction. And in a world ruled by capitalistic values, the customer's always right. What is he to do except grasp futilely for air as he succumbs to the torrent of customers who are used to being right?
God damn!
Petty is as petty does, and he got what he fucking deserved.
Holy shit, man!
Or, I don't know, return at a different location, learn how to manage conflict, self-soothe as an adult.
Damn, bro.
Wait till his shift is over. Go at a different time. There's plenty of options.
I don't even know you like tacos. Man, maybe I should... Hold up.